I'm Mike Blyden, Destin local, growing up here. I just love the beach. I love just the Destin life in general. I also own and manage a vacation rental home here in Crystal Beach with my wife, and we've been doing that for about 2 years now.
What we do is we do live videos of actual rentals. So if you have a rental that you want to market in this area, we can have Michael and some of our other guys. We come out and we do a live video feed.
Of course, the benefits of going live, having a video is the audience, right? You want to get your house exposed to as many people as you can. DestinFlorida.com has over 700,000 followers and guests. It's live, you're engaging, we answer questions in the comments, anything that the guest is going to ask. And we're going to do everything we can to answer questions, engage, and tell them, hey, this is the house that you want to rent.
He literally walks through the entire home and gives a bird's eye view of everything that's in the house. So when we do one of these live videos, we might have 300, 400, 800 people on that video at that time looking at that house. We just want to expand the way vacation rentals are marketed. And when you're on a regular listing site, even like ours, Emerald Coast by Owner or DestinFlorida.com, you see pictures, and a lot of times there's some videos on there, but a live walkthrough of Michael going through that house, answering questions in real time, it just gives you a first-person perspective that we just can't put on the websites normally.
Video is just the world we're living in. It's content, content, content. With housing, you never get enough views on your rental property.
So far we've had just great reactions by the guests. We see them booking the properties immediately after the live feed goes up, and then just the owners and managers just like having a different type of exposure.
So I kind of give a little pre-walkthrough of how I want to design the walkthrough with how the house is structured, and then basically just hit all the high points. Try to have a friendly smile and just engage with the audience as we go live.
Everybody loves Michael. He's honest, he's sincere, he works his tail off, and he just knocks it out of the ballpark. He's just like a Facebook superstar, if you want my opinion.
I'm just here to serve. I'm here serving with a kind spirit, more or less to you, the customer, and to those that are here just enjoying vacation. And I put my heart and soul into trying to be a good ambassador for you guys.